have always been a super energetic person. I'd always ran, I'd always worked out, but I had gotten to a point where I just didn't want to get out of bed to do that. I was tired all the time. I would work out all the time when I did, and I never saw a huge change. And then the weight gain, of course, like I was losing my muscle tone. We all think that, oh, this is normal. This is just part of aging. This is part of, I've had 2 kids. I'm supposed to feel like this. I'm tired. I work all the time. So it's not normal to feel tired. It's not normal to not want to get up and go. It's not normal to have decreased libido. But really, the hormone balance really puts you back into that optimum level. So when Brooke came to me and she was like, well, Jen, this is how I felt and this is what we did, she introduced me to Biote, and I was like, Biote? I had never heard about it. And I was like, well, what is that? And she was like, it's hormones. And I was like, oh no, I don't feel like I need that. And I said, when I was on birth control, it messed me up so bad, right? Like I was always emotional, or I was breaking out, and I had weight gain. And so that was my initial thought when we talked about hormones. But then she started explaining it to me, and how it works differently in your body, and how it's not synthetic, and how your body really treats it like it's natural and it's something that you would naturally produce, which is what really piqued my interest. The bioidentical hormones, which again means that your body recognizes them as being natural. What essentially happens is your blood vessels kind of wrap around them. So as your heart pumps and your blood goes through your veins, it absorbs the testosterone or the estradiol evenly. So that's the great thing about pellets versus synthetic injection or a pill. It's an even distribution based on your cardiac output. When you get Biote and you get the pellets and you get the hormones, it really gets you back to that optimum level of functioning. So that way, you feel like you again.